Hey everyone, it's Sydney. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And where are we going, friends? Sorry, they're arguing. 1 second. Everyone's fighting.
It literally looks like dirt. He said,
Tony! Alright, I'll tell you. We're going to Silver Dollar City, aka the North Pole. The North. Does anyone have anything to say?
I heard that Riley eats worms and stuff. Is this true?
Wait, it's raining outside, so there's so many worms.
So we're going to be going into Silver Dollar City and have a good time. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see you in a minute. Aaron, I think I see Santa. Santa!
Where?
She wants the jalapeno.
Will you sing him that song first?
Hey, you did not pay for that pie.
One bite?
The whole thing.
No, that's not what we agreed on.
Tony, did you fart?
You have to swallow it.
Did you fart? Oh my god!
I'm not gonna do all.
Whatever you don't eat, I'll eat. Right
Oh,
after.
so the cameras are on and you want to be on it now.
Yeah, I love cameras.
This guy's just...
Wow, big bite.
You put your lips on.
Wow.
Science is gonna be crime after
Oh my god! She ate the stem too. Pretty good, huh? Do you? Oh my god! Do you like it?
If you want to be our friends, you have to finish eating that. If you want to remain with us the rest of this trip, finish that. If you open that bun and use it as a sponge on your tongue,
Oh yeah.
it'll take out the acid.
Here.
Isn't that true? That's what I heard. It's
that.
as a sponge. No, not in the water.
Oh my gosh, this is so hot.
Use the bread.
I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do.
Get some milk.
It's so hot.
That's what they say. Yeah, like that.
Can we get some milk?
Yeah.
So
Oh, no, we're picked up.
it's a sponge. It'll take the acid out.
Just take the freaking
I
bread.
don't know what to do. Tony's telling me what to do.
Grab your tongue.
I can't even imagine how hot that was. So that one little bite that I had.
If you pour it on your tongue, sugar helps.
And it's you guys.
He's
I
lying.
promise. I don't know how it helps, but
Here, put some ketchup on it too.
Do you have milk?
I think good idea. I'm crying.
It's so
she
hot.
tried to eat.
Oh yeah.
She said, "Chug, take a knee and chug."
Go ahead and chug that. I got 2 more for you too if you need it. They're only $6 a piece.
She spit it out everywhere.
God. Oh, oh my gosh.
Let's go. Are you better now? This is a lot better. I shouldn't have made the jalapeno.
Really drenched in her milk.
They're gonna sing. You guys are
Oh,
gonna sing.
they're singing. Okay, don't worry about Jan anymore. Screw her. Let's see what they're gonna sing. I think if you dance, it'll help.
All need to calm down because we were singing and we were having a great time until you all just interrupted us. And now we're having a great time because I'm hanging out with you.
Guys. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we can just say
Christmas! Hold on a second. Oh my.
Conehead.
Hey guys! It's Christmas! Woo!
You guys just copy each other.
Wait, hold on. Cheers! And then edit it there.
I was like,
We're not.
joke's on you, I got you on my vlog.
Guys, it looks like the Harry Potter door.
We're down at the North Pole. Me and my little sister today.
Hello, everyone. You guys are the first person. Guys, they just got engaged. This is what Christmas is all about. Oh, I miss it because I'm a bad vlogger, but it was really cute. Oh yeah, load it up. Shoot, that's it. 2 people are decking out my hot chocolate. It's a team effort. And a Rice Krispie. Holy moly, this is the best $3 I ever spent. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You
Wow. Okay, guys, it's a vibe. It's a Christmas vibe. Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, dear Tanisha. Happy birthday.
That was racist. Did you guys just assume her name was Tanisha?
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Look how cool this place is. We're about to eat dinner. And it's like this whole like little game area. Let's play bags. Let's play bags.
You almost got him all.
What are we doing actually though?
Oh wait, that's actually not whack-a-mole. We're actually playing this clown game, but we are at the arcade because we're in Branson and it's the best ever and it's my birthday.
I think we forgot to mention that this entire vlog that it's for her birthday weekend.
It's my birthday weekend.
She just turned 34.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to expose you like that. She's 23.
You got 3. Hey, you
My
want to buckle
sleeve
this?
kept coming down my wrist. I kept
No
trying to pull it
excuses, babe.
out. Oh, okay. I still did okay.
Woo! Pretend the clown is the devil. This guy sucks. Who got 170?
That was me.
So dope.
Okay, I'm gonna transition into some very creative, fun little videos right now.
You got anything other than cookies and milk?
Alright guys, we're home. A lot of craziness is going on, but I have to end this vlog. Aaron is showering and blaring music, and then Tony's sleeping. So yeah, road trip is over. It was so much fun. We love Silver Dollar City. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!